sentiments. Sensex surged nearly 500 points to shoot past the 24,000 mark. Nifty rallied nearly 150 points to reconquer the 7,400 levels. Mid-caps also got a much-needed relief, surging over 2%. Anuj Singhal joins us now, like always, with a quick market wrap. Anuj, forget about this rally sustaining or not, but thank God it's Friday.
Oh yeah, thank God it's Friday. That's what the bulls were saying. And towards the end, actually, they wanted the Friday to be a bit longer because the market kept getting higher and higher and ended at the high point of the day. You may want to call it short covering. You may want to call it bargain buying. But it was a global phenomenon, and India was no exception. All markets rallied today. In fact, Nikkei was up almost 6% today. So you can imagine the kind of gains that we had in markets today. It was broad-based, but led by banks. Let's talk about the stocks that led the market higher. First, let's talk about the heavyweight stocks. So many stocks gained today. But in terms of contribution to index, you had Larsen and Toubro up 3.5%. HDFC and Reliance as well were up about 2%. Auto stocks, they had a phenomenal day today, led by Maruti, which was up 5.5%. Tata Motors and Mahindra were also higher. Then, of course, you had some other nifty gainers like Hindalco, Tata Steel, GAIL, which was the biggest gainer, up about 8%. Banking stocks did well. So stocks like Axis, Yes, SBI. In fact, across banking space, we had big gains. The Bank Nifty is up 800 points in 2 days. Apart from gainers, you had two big losers today. Idea and Bharti, both were down. Idea, in fact, was the biggest loser, reacting to numbers, down 6%, and Bosch was also lower. Outside the index, the real big talking point was aviation. Interglobe was locked on lower circuit today. That's the blue-eyed boy of stock market, but today you saw a big correction, down 20%. Jet Airways in sympathy was down 6%, and SpiceJet was down about 5%. But there were some mid-cap gainers as well. Stocks like HDIL, Canara Bank, and Sri Renuka stand out with 6 to 8% gain. So, as I said, it could be short covering, but as of now, the market has a near-term bottom in place, and the bulls would hope that in expiry week, there should be some more short covering.
Well, thanks for that, Anuj. Meanwhile, on to the Asian